G'day guys, this is Liberationists here. So I'm just going to teach you guys quickly how to use Source Filmmaker. All we're going to be doing this time is loading the map and loading the character. So it's pretty simple, and this is a 2014 video, so this is going to be one of the newest of its kind at the moment. Very simple, so we go File, we want to load maps. So then, once you do that, you get a bunch of different maps. You can use any one, it doesn't matter. So, I don't know, let's use Sawmill, because Sawmill's pretty easy to use. You hit open, and depending on how long this takes, some maps can take longer than others, and yep, so it's not responding, you just gotta give it a moment for it to come back. Mainly, this tool is to be only used, really, for people that are interested in making videos. Like, you may have seen recently the Shrek videos, and, the Meet the Heavy videos all made using TF2. Well, they were all made using this. So if you're interested in this, this is where you're going to want to go. And you're in the right place. So after this takes 3 years to load, should be done in a moment. There we go. Alright, so we've got our map. Now, you see the map and you're like, alright, so what do I do? How do I move around and all that? Alright, I'm going to teach you now. On this part here, left click. So just hold it and, move around as if you're like, doing a mass spray on Counter-Strike. Perfect. Now, you can use your WSAD keys to be able to roam the map while holding left click. So hold left click, and then W, and then S, and A, and D. And you can also, use it to get up through other places. So it's a pretty handy feature. Now, to load your character in, you're going to do as it follows. We're going to go under the animation set editor, that plus sign, that down bar, we're going to hit create animation set for new model. Now we've got all our mods and that here, so what we're going to want to do, under the MDL files part, scroll down till we find players. It should be just there. And now we've got all our players, engineer, heavy, and all you're going to want to use, if you want any of these, choose the one that has .mdl. We don't want the user ones, because that's just all other features of its body. This gives you the full package, so, heavy. Let's just use the heavy as an example, right? Once you've clicked that, hit open. Now, it'll look pretty fucking massive, and you're like, what the fuck is happening, sort of thing. But that's easy. It's stuck in midair. So, I'm gonna... I think I've turned on wireframe by accident. Alright, well, I'm gonna teach you guys just how to quickly get this down. So, once we've got our character in, we're just gonna click on this little arrow. This shows all the heaviest features we can do to him. So, we're gonna click body. Root transformation, hit that plus button, and then hit that plus button on pause, so that's position. Alright, so we're going to go X to start off with. Now, this here should... I'm just going to quickly teach you how to fix this. So we're going to go... Give me just a second. Sorry about this, guys. Just trying to remember how to close this thing. What we basically want to do is make it so we can move it around. But, just trying to remember how to do that. I'm pretty sure it's under... yep, alright. So go Windows, Motion Editor. So now how that turns green, that's what we want, because that means we can mess around with this. So now we can go back on there, click X, blah, blah, blah. It should now bring up his options, so we can... It'll come up differently. This is just because I've hit something different with wireframe. So if you don't do wireframe, it'll look better. Basically, we're going to just try and move him back and around, sort of thing. Let's try and get him into those barrels as the objective. So, let's move around a bit. Take him all the way over there. Just need to go a little... This is just going across as well, so... Alright, that one's done. Now, Y should be our 1 to move all the way back through here. So let's just get a bit back. Okay. And then we'll just exit up again. It's a hard process, but once you know how to do it, see, I have different things usually about wireframe, causes some stuff to be a little bit hard. It's more technical, and I will give a tutorial on that. Alright, that's done. Said we'll make him lower or higher. He should now be at ground level. That's right on it. Alright, now we go X and move him all the way across. Like so. Now we can finally zoom in and we get our picture. So this is basically it, guys. This is really how to load your character and map. It's a very simple structure, and it's the first thing to making a great short film or whatever, however long you want to make it. Stay tuned, because next time I'll be teaching you guys how to animate the characters and how to mess around with them a bit more and make a story-based setting. So, other than that, you may hit like, rate, subscribe if you think this is necessary, but other than that, thanks for watching, guys.